Hey guys, so this is how to download a code or a file from GitHub. So first thing I did was just open up my browser and then I went to github.com. Then I signed into my account. You don't need to necessarily sign into an account or sign up for GitHub to download a repository. I just signed in. So yeah. Now I want to download one of my existing repositories. You could also search for any of the public ones and download any public repository. But yeah, I'll just download mine for that example or for demonstration. So I'll just click on this repository right here. And then you're not gonna if you look around, you're not gonna find a magic download button. However, what you can do is download a zip file that is gonna have all the files or all the code in your repository in one file. So I'll just click on this code button. And you're gonna find a lot of options. So you could download with HTTPS or SSH. What I'm gonna do is just click on download zip. And once I do that, as you see, it just downloads the zip file. So I'll just open that. And as you see, it has all the packages, all the HTML, all the CSS. So yeah, it's all there. And that's pretty much it. Hope that video is helpful.